We hosted our annual chicken show, but not the traditional kind you're probably thinking of if you're familiar with chicken shows at all, because here at Kmar Farms, there's always a twist. At our chicken show, it's not just about the chickens. It's about creativity, community, and making something traditional a whole lot more fun. From the moment you arrive, you can feel the difference. Families and visitors all coming together, not just to observe, but to participate. One of the most unique parts of the day? Guests decorated their cages and turned them into full-on displays. Some were funny, some were incredibly detailed, and some were just pure creativity. It gave the entire event a completely different energy, less formal, more inviting, and a lot more fun. And alongside all that creativity were some pretty incredible birds. We started off the day by introducing our judges, who brought their expertise to the competition, evaluating each bird while also taking in the creativity surrounding them. We also came together for the national anthem, one of those grounding moments that brings everyone together. And having Norco Councilman Kevin Bash there showed just how important events like these are for the local community. But the heart of it all, the people. Kids seeing the chickens up close, families spending time together, moments of laughter, curiosity, and connection happening everywhere. It wasn't just about showcasing chickens. It was all about creating an experience. And sometimes, all it takes is a chicken show with a twist. If you're looking for more experiences like this, we'd love to invite you out to the farm. We're open to the public every second Saturday of the month, and we host a few special events throughout the year. Come spend a day with us, bring your family, and be a part of it. And if you enjoy seeing moments like this, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's next.